So I'm supposed to make a viral YouTube video and have 1 million subscribers? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I fake it in 3 steps. Step 1. Start with a catchy title and thumbnail. We are grabbing attention, not writing a novel. Step 2. Hook them in the first 10 seconds. Perfect time for a dramatic intro or a funny moment. Final step. Keep them engaged with unexpected twists. Boom! Instant views, no effort required. Y'all see this? Like and subscribe for more content. Or keep scrolling, your choice.